Hey, what's up YouTube? It's John Miro back again with another video, and today I'm doing a giveaway. So I'm wanting to take this channel up to 1,250 subscribers. Right now we're currently sitting at 1,105 subscribers, so we really don't have that much further to go. I mean, I know I can feel it. We're gonna get there real soon because you guys are awesome. So I wanted to throw two more prizes in there that are actually worth more than $100, just to make things more fun. So here are the rules in order to qualify to win. One lucky subscriber, all you have to do is number one, be subscribed. Rule number two, comment the word DOGECOIN to the moon, and boom, that's it. You're in. You got a chance to win one of three prizes. Now, let's get to the prizes. Prize number one. Maybe you're a fan of Beats headphones. Well, you're in luck because you have a chance to win the Beats Studio Buds True Wireless. Now, these headphones are noise canceling and they come in 3 different colors, which I'll put all in the description below, and as well as the rules, guys, so don't worry, it's all gonna be down there. So if you're a Beats fan and you've been in the market for some headphones, then you're in luck because you can choose prize number one. Prize number two. Maybe you're not a big fan of Beats, but let me tell you something. Everybody, it seems like, has an Apple iPhone, and you've been needing some headphones. So why not go with prize number two, which is Apple AirPods Generation 2 with a charging case. Yes, guys, a charging case. So if you're needing some headphones, you can go with option one, the Beats Studio Buds that are true wireless, or you can go with the Apple AirPods 2 generation. And prize number three, maybe you've already got some headphones and you just need some extra cash. So prize number three, you can win $100 cash money. All right, guys, those are the 3 prizes. I hope you're excited. I definitely want to take this channel up to 1,250 subscribers. I know we can do it because you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace.